I just wanted to update you. We are working on the Radiolarians for open source. Let me show you our progress so far. Using the Xtools, this is the 1200 watt welder. Right now we're just using the gun in kind of a TIG mode, attack mode. And here's the tacks that we're getting out of this. Very clean, very precise. We're slowly assembling the parts of this ball into the complete Radiolarian. A few jigs that we've made. Here's one that assembles 3 of those parts together. A couple of other jigs to manipulate the side. Grab this and hold down the seam while you tack that in. Lots of little tiny end cap pieces. These are used at the ends to hold on. There's one right there that holds that whole part together while we that fits into that jig I showed you on the table here, and holds those together so we can get the tack on. A couple of custom clamps there as well. So it's going really well. It's taken us a little bit to get the hang of it. And there is a bit of, it's a tool that's new. It can do things really well and other things not so well. I think this little tiny small work is really great. And I'm excited to see how the seam goes after we start welding all these tacks down. So we're just going to drag, without using a wire feed, we're just going to melt that like a TIG back into itself. The test pieces we've done, I mean, this is all first time we've ever done any of this, and you know, these right here are all we've done to practice, and I see some really nice results, and this is what I'm really hoping to get when we start melting that together. We've also found that if you don't get it the first time, you can go back over that, melt it in again, maybe add a little more rod to it. The wire feeder is a little harder to use on these seams just because you got to kind of ride that edge. And with this little jig here, it's really easy just to split that seam. Aims it right in there, really nice. So I think that's what we're going to keep going with. We'll see how tomorrow goes, and looking forward to showing this work in progress. And then I have 2 of these finished that are fully painted with all the LEDs and stuff inside, so those will be there at Open Sauce to show off. So do come. That's in San Mateo Fairgrounds, California. All right, see you then.